Hey guys, quick question right now. In your final year project group, how are you sharing the code? Emailing project underscore final underscore v3 underscore zip file, or passing a pen drive during the lunch break, or copy pasting 4000 lines into a WhatsApp group and then fighting whose version is correct. If you are still doing this in 2026, a bad news for you guys. Almost every top companies is going to reject you in the first coding round itself. Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Infosys, they all expect you at least you know the Git and GitHub before you even sit for their interview. And today, in the next 8 to 9 minutes, I will show you exactly what is Git and GitHub and why are they super important and how to stop looking like a 2015 intern. Let me show you the two worlds, the college chaos versus industry calmness to understand the version control and its benefits. Left side, you can see the college style. Someone deletes the important file, the total panic, and someone overwrites your code. The group chat fights, and the last person says that, bro, I don't remember what I changed. The project doomed. And in the right side, if you see the precious and the contributions industries like Google and MNC's companies, where if there is a file is deleted, they will be restoring in a seconds. If there is a conflict, the tool shows exactly which line is changed by whom, and every single change has a name, date, and a reason, and there is no blame game here, and just work on the solution part. Now the biggest confusion every fresher has is Git and GitHub thinking is both are same. No, they are completely different but works together. Git is equal to your personal diary plus your time machine on your own laptop. You write your code, save the versions, go back in time if you make mistakes. Works 100% offline even during your power cut or GN network is down. GitHub is your Instagram or a social media platform of your code. You upload your diary to the cloud. Recruiters open your profile, see you all the projects, see your commit history, see you how you think. Teammates can also collaborate and comment it. Git, the simple rule to remember is that Git is a software on your laptop and GitHub is the website or platform where you show your work to the world. You need Git to use GitHub, but you can use Git without even touching the GitHub. Once you master the Git and GitHub, your resume becomes 10 times stronger. You can show the real projects with a professional commit histories. You can also do open source contributions. That will be a huge plus for the interviews. A group projects stops being nightmare and become fun for you. In the next video, we actually install the Git properly and do the most important first step of 90% of the freshers miss. So if you want to stop being scared of Git and wanted to get calls from the top MNC companies, hit subscribe button and the bell icon right now. Comment below and get ready for Git or still using pen drives. I will reply to everyone and let's go in the next video.